What's up, Roast Gangs? It's the Lulu Boy 2012. I'm here for another roast video. So, we're roasting for today is 64 Zoolane. So, I have no idea what to say about the show because I'm not even interested about the show 64 Zoolane. So, please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Are you ready? Let's start the video, shall we? Warning, this video is a comedy and violence. Do not watch this video. It's not for kids. Let's start the roast video. Shut up! You keep on repeating 64, 64, 64 Zule. Now shut the fuck up, my boy. My guys in this intro singing this. Your name's Lucy? What the hell? Why do you look like fake ass? My girl, you look like fake ass Emily Elizabeth from the Clifford franchise. Hell no. Your code name 64 Zuling? That's just the title of this fucking TV show. What the hell? Who the hell are your neighbors, girl? A camel and a kangaroo? That doesn't even look like a kangaroo to me. Hell nah. Bro, it looks like the fake ass blue hippo from Toy Story 5. My dude, you look like Altas, fake ass Altas, the blue hippo from the upcoming movie Toy Story 5. Hell nah. Bro, what kind of animal is this? With a goddamn koala nose. It looks like a koala to me, but doesn't even look like a goddamn koala. And why is the nose shaped like a square or a TV screen? Bro, what kind of animal is this? It looks like a chameleon with a Yoshi tongue. What the hell? Bro, fake ass Ice Bear from We Bare Bears looking ass. Bro, that doesn't even look like a monkey to me. Hell nah. What the hell is this? A frog? Frogs are supposed to be green, not light yellow or yellow green. What the hell? Bro, fake ass Pato from Pocoyo looking ass. Bro, fake ass Lyle Crocodile and even fake ass Vector the Crocodile from Sonic the Hedgehog looking ass. Bro, what the hell is this? It looks like a crocodile but small as hell. And what is that ostrich looking at, bro? And bro. Hey yo, what are you looking at, bro? Hell nah. Bro, why is that bird so small as hell and the body shaped like a pickleball? What the hell? Is this an anteater? And why it looks like the ears that looks like fireflies? And bro, Pumbaa, is that you on the right if you don't return your ass from the Lion King, bro? And bro, what kind of a rhino is this with a big ass triangle shape? I don't know, bro. I think a horn. Bro, where did these niggas even come from? To hell? Hell nah. You look like fake ass Birdo from the Super Mario franchise. Bro, what kind of a beast is this? Bro. Marty the Zebra, is that freaking you? If you don't return your ass back to the Madagascar franchise, bro, what the hell? Bro, is that a porcupine? You look like the long lost cousin of Flaky from Happy Tree Friends looking ass. Bro. Is that a fucking bison? Why is it so fat as hell? Because of the goddamn fur. Bro. Hold on, partner. What the hell kind of an animal is this? I don't get it. Bro, fake ass Gary from Zootopia 2 looking ass. Is that a goddamn elephant? It looks like fake ass Mrs. Jumbo from the Dumbo movie. Hell nah. Bro, what the hell is this? Is that you, Melman? If you don't return your ass back to Madagascar franchise. Bro, why is this giraffe neck so long as hell? What the hell? This is not a brachiosaurus. Calm down. Bro, stop stirring to my soul, my boy. Oh well, I'm gotta get out of here. Till next time. Get scorched.